Welcome to Carousel Boutique, where every garment is chic, unique, and magnifique. Sapphire Shores! The pony of pop!
Good afternoon, Miss Rarity.
You know my name.
Well, of course I do, darling. I make it a point to know all of the up-and-coming designers, and Clothes Horse magazine simply raved about you.
Oh, my stars. If I'm dreaming, do not wake me up. How may I help you, Miss Shores?
Oh, please, call me Sapphire.
How may I help you, Sapphire?
Well, as I'm sure you know, I'll be touring all of Equestria with my latest concert, Sapphire Shore Zig Philly Follies. So I need to look sensational. Ow!
I have just what you need. Sapphire Shores, prepare yourself for the pièce de résistance de la haute couture. I used every last diamond I found on this one garment.
And it is spectacular. I'll take it.
Really?
Oh, yes, and 5 more, each done up in a different jewel.
Beg pardon?
Costume changes.
Oh.
Yes, I do have that effect on ponies.
My little pony, my little pony. Ah, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. My little pony. Until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure, tons of fun. A beautiful heart, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness, it's an easy feat. And magic makes it all complete. You have mine. Did you know you're all my very best friends?
Oh my gosh! Sapphire Shores! The pony of pop! She is awesome! I mean, she's gorgeous and talented and not even half the pony you are. I mean, you're 10 times more gorgeous and talented and...
Spike, a lady is never jealous.
Of course not. But were you totally flipping out or what?
Ladies do not flip out, Spike. However, I was quite in awe. Oh, I need to find more jewels than ever before to decorate her costumes. Oh, aha!
Did you find some?
Yes, Spike, right there!
Ooh. You look so delicious.
Spike! I promised I'd give you gems to snack on, but we need to collect more first, or I'll never be able to make these outfits for Sapphire.
I will miss you, my sweets.
Come along, Spike. We have many jewels to find.
At your service, my lady.
Spike? You've been very patient today, Spike, and for that, you get the finest reward. This is from me to you. Is something wrong, Spike?
No. It's perfect.
Ooh, bring the card, Spike. There are more over here.
For me. From Rarity.
Yes, gems, gems, precious gems. He is the gem hunter. With him, we can have all those gems and more. Let's get the dragon.
Spike, where are you?
Wait, who is that?
You know, it's terrible to keep a lady waiting.
Coming!
I think we're really going to strike gold this time, so to speak. Jackpot!
Oh, it's not the dragon we want. It's the pony.
Well, Spike, Spike, I think that's all we can do for today. And these will certainly get me well on my way with Sapphire's outfit. Why don't we start heading... Oh! What's this? Another jewel. Oh, strange. It's in the trees. Good day, gentle fellow. I am Rarity, and this is my friend Spike. And you are...
A diamond dog.
Oh, really? Oh, well, that explains your fine taste in jewelry. I know that diamonds are a girl's best friend, and now I know that they're a dog's best friend, too. So, you're out hunting for gems as well?
Yes, we hunt.
We?
We hunt for gems, but you are a better hunter, so now we hunt for you.
Run, Rarity, run!
No.
Spike! Come on! Hurry!
Gotcha.
Got him, Rarity! I got him!
No. Sorry, scaly one.
Well, wait! Rarity, unhand me this instant, you ruffians! Put me down, you nuts! You brutes! Rarity!
Spike! Ah! Don't!
Where?
Spike, can you breathe now?
Yes. I think so.
Good. Now tell us what you know. Yeah, because all you said earlier was...
Ah! Rarity, woods, jewels, dogs, holes, taken, saver! Not a whole lot to go on there, sport. Sorry, Rarity and I were in the woods looking for jewels when these creepy guys showed up.
Creepy guys?
They called themselves the Diamond Dogs. They grabbed Rarity and disappeared down a hole in the ground.
Well, this sounds mighty easy. Just take us to that there hole and we'll save Rarity.
Holy moly, that's a lot of holies! Come on, girls. Let's get started. Hello? Quick! We gotta get down one before they're all filled up! Oh my! Oh! Oh!
Ah! We can't muscle through it.
We'll see about that!
Heavens to Betsy. Now, I'm used to picking myself up and dusting myself off, but Rarity won't even touch mud unless it's imported.
Oh, Rarity. Oh, woe is me! Whatever shall I do? Ah! Dirt! Dirt! Get away, dirt! Oh, make it stop! Make it stop! Ah! Filthy, disgusting dirt! It stings! It burns! Help! Oh, some pony, save me! Save me!
We gotta save her.
But they blocked up all the holes.
Don't mean we can't dig them out. Come on!
Get him! All those scary monsters popping up everywhere. Oh, poor Rarity must be terrified.
Give me the baubles. Give me the beads. Where are the trinkets? Where is the treasure?
Oh! What are we gonna do?
I got it! I'll save you, my sweet!
Huh? Spike, it is very noble of you to sacrifice the gem Rarity gave you.
Oh, Lady Rarity, my damsel in distress, I shall save you. Show yourselves, you dogs, you curs! Ah, there you are, you mangy mutts.
Who are you calling mutts? Unleash the hounds!
Now, where is Lady Rarity?
Spike! I knew you would save me!
Nothing could stop me, my lady.
Oh, Spike, you are my hero.
Oh, there, lover boy.
Whoa! 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 I got a bite! I got a bite!
Hold on there, little fella.
Applejack! Twilight! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Wait for me!
Ha-ha! It worked! We're in! Now we can finally save Rarity!
Which way do we go? All these tunnels. How are we ever gonna find Rarity?
Guess we're just gonna have to start going down them one by one.
It could take forever. There's gotta be a way to narrow it down.
I know! I bet they've taken Rarity down the tunnel with the most gems!
But Spike, Rarity's the only one who knows how to find gems.
No, Twilight, you can! You can copy Rarity's gem-finding spell!
Oh my gosh, you're right. Rarity showed me how she did it a while back. If I can just remember.
That's it! You did it, Twilight! Come on! We're coming, Rarity! We'll save you! Just hold on!
Oh, please, Diamond Dogs. Please let me go.
No!
You're our precious little pony.
Forever!
But whatever do you want from me?
Gems! Yes, the gems, the jewels.
Find them all.
Oh, is that all? There, a lovely pocket of jewels are right there. Now, if you'd be so kind as to show me the exit.
Good. Now, dig them up, pony.
What? But you said you wanted me to find the gems.
Yes, find and then dig.
Dig.
Yes, dig.
Mm.
What are you doing? We said dig.
Forgive me, but prior to you so rudely dragging me into a dirt pit, I had a pony petty, and I am not about to chip a hoof because you dislike my style of digging.
Oh, for goodness! Fine. Just stop. Stop. Dig, dogs. Dig. And fast.
She won't dig. She pulls.
I beg your pardon, but what, pray tell, are you doing?
Others will dig. You will haul the wagon.
Precious pony Penny will be preserved.
Well, somebody certainly needs proper nail care. When was the last time you two had a manicure?
You're scratching up my coat with those jagged things.
Please be quiet!
Good heavens, what is that smell?
Smell!
Ah, mystery solved. It's your breath. Oh.
Enough! Search, Pony!
Well, since you insist. But I must say, the working conditions in here are simply dreadful. Musty and damp. It's going to wreak havoc on my mane. And this air is stifling, suffocating. And when I try to get a deep breath, the stench of all you dogs makes me nauseated. You look and smell like you haven't bathed in weeks. Have you never heard of soap? You could all do with a good round of soap and water. Oh, water. I'm terribly thirsty. Can I please have some water?
Oh, gracious, I can't take this anymore! Be quiet, Pony!
And that's another thing. I would appreciate it if you'd stop calling me Pony. I am a lady, and I wish to be addressed as such. So you may call me Miss, or Rarity, or Miss Rarity.
Enough! You're whining! It hurts!
Whining? I am not whining. I am complaining. Do you want to hear whining? This is whining. Oh, this harness is too tight. It's going to chafe. Can't you loosen it? Oh, it hurts and it's so nasty. Why didn't you clean it first? It's going to leave a stain. The wagon's getting heavy. Why do I have to pull it?
Make it stop! Stop whining!
But I thought you wanted whining.
We'll do anything, Pony! Oh, I will do anything, Miss Rarity.
Anything? This water is hardly sparkling, but I suppose it will have to do.
Wait! Why are we doing this? To stop the awful noises from the pony's mouth, remember? Yes, I know. This is ridiculous. Letting a pony order us around. What are we, mice or dogs?
Dogs?
Dogs do not pull, ponies pull. Let her make the awful noises.
What are you doing? Hey, you spilled my drink. Oh, not so tight.
Ha! Make the noises all you want, but move while you make them. Hiya, mule!
Did you just call me a mule? Mules are ugly. Are you saying that I too am ugly?
What are these noises?
He called me ugly.
No, mule. I said mule.
An old, ugly mule. And it's true. Just look at me. I used to be beautiful, but now.
No, you're still beautiful, Miss Rarity.
You're just saying that.
No, you're still pretty and oh, nice. Yeah.
I don't believe you. You never liked me.
Oh, I've had just about enough of this.
We're getting close. I can feel it.
It's coming from down here! Come on!
She must be in there. Let's go.
More workhorses.
Oh, doggies. If you can take this bull by the horns, you better be ready for a ride. Come on, ponies. Kick 'em up, kick 'em out. Buck 'em up, buck 'em down. Yeehaw! Get along, little doggies. I'm coming for you, my lady. Hi-ho, Twilight! Away!
And just what do you think you're doing?
Please, Twilight, just give me this.
Fine.
Lady Rarity, I'm here to save you!
Please,
No,
stop!
please.
Excuse me?
So picky.
And critical.
To won't stop talking.
And crying?
We, give her back, yes.
Rarity, you're safe.
Why, yes. Hello, girls. You arrived just in time to assist me
Assist you with what?
with those.
You're letting her leave with all these jewels?
Yes, take them and her with them, please!
I can't believe you found all these gems! I can't believe you tricked all those dogs! Just because I'm a lady doesn't mean I cannot handle myself in a sticky situation. I had them wrapped around my hoof the entire time.
I can't wait to write to Princess Celestia to tell her what you taught me today.
Me? What did I teach you?
Just because some pony is ladylike doesn't make her weak. In fact, by using her wits, a seemingly defenseless pony can be the one who outsmarts and outshines them all.
Outshines is right. Now you have enough gems to cover Sapphire Shores' costumes.
Not if you eat them all, Spy.